Unlock seamless photo transfers from your Nikon D5600 to your laptop without a single cable, simplifying your workflow instantly. First, let's dive into your Nikon D5600's Wi-Fi capabilities. Locate the Wi-Fi button, usually found on the back or side of your camera. Press this button to activate the camera's wireless network. Next, on your laptop, you'll need to install the necessary software. Head to the official Nikon website and search for SnapBridge. Download and install the SnapBridge application for your operating system. This software acts as the bridge between your camera and your laptop. Now, back to your camera. Once Wi-Fi is activated, your D5600 will broadcast its own network. You might see a network name displayed on your camera's LCD screen. Note this name down, and your camera may also display a password or prompt you to set one. On your laptop, go to your Wi-Fi settings and look for the network name that matches your Nikon D5600. Select it and enter the password. If prompted, your laptop is now connected directly to your camera's Wi-Fi. Open the SnapBridge application on your laptop. It should automatically detect your connected camera. Within SnapBridge, you'll find options to browse photos and videos on your camera and select specific files to transfer to your laptop. Simply choose the images you want and hit the download button. And just like that, your photos and videos are wirelessly transferred, ready for editing or sharing without the hassle of cables. Enjoy your streamlined workflow.